friends, my name is Vyomprithvi. Today I am going to explain about energy. Energy, there are different forms of energy like chemical energy, electrical energy and solar energy and many more. And the main purpose of this experiment is like, for suppose there is a power cut. You can use batteries. At that time you can use batteries, UPS, generator and inverter and many more you can use. And the use of this battery is when we can use for small minute things, like we can make a fan with the help of batteries. And now I'm going to show you an experiment. Just with this one thing we can complete the experiment. Yeah. Now let's see if it will work. And first about this circuit is the positive of the battery is connected to the switch, the other end of the switch is connected to the motor, and the other end of the motor is connected to the negative of the battery. This completes a whole circuit. And solar panels also, we can use solar panels in the place of battery, and we can use this to glow LEDs and the rotate fans. Main purpose of energy is save the earth with turning off every single light when you're not in the room, and fans. Also we can and these solar panels are attached to the buildings and all, and we can glow lights with solar panels. And now is the final part, but not the least, save electricity by turning off lights and fans when you're not in the room, and turn off the TVs no one is watching. And also then you can save the earth when you're not in the house or no one is not there, even you. Then we can make sure everything is off: fan, lights, laptop charging and TVs. Thank you.